how does it feel, madam? You've been completely with South Indians mostly, many of the students. If, is it like,
No,
you feel alienated?
no, never. It's not like we have completely the South Indian group or North Indian group. It's a mixture of all the people. We have diverse culture from North, South, and somewhere from Middle, East, and other people. So it's a mixture. We don't feel elevated or something. It feels like we get to learn all the cultures over here.
How do you see the education system at Sai University in special, ma'am?
So it's like it's a liberal education, and we just not only get to study. If I am opting only for computer science, it's not only like I should read only computer science. I might go for other subjects as like biology and law. So student get diverse and liberal education as well. So it's their own choice what they want to learn. So it's like completely on their own interest and their own dependency. So it's like liberal education, and I feel not other institutes in India offers this kind of education.
And what do you say about the students studying over here, especially the southern students, as you came from Bihar? What observations, what differences that you see in the students of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and be it Kerala compared to the northern students, ma'am?
So I feel they all get to mingle with each other. They learn their cultures. They learn something from other state. They teach something from their own state, and they like as you say, you came for the food. So obviously they can tell like this is their speciality. So it's all diversity is more here. Like all of India is all about unity and diversity. So I can say that if people are coming from other state, they are becoming more diverse with the culture here, and education also is making them more diverse.
Pleasure talking to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఇట్స్ ఈ బీహార్ నుంచి వచ్చారనమాట ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ పని మీద తను ఇక్కడికి. సో షీఈస్ డూయింగ్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ ఓవర్ హియర్ అనమాట. షీఈస్ నాట్ అ స్టూడెంట్ బట్ షీ లవ్ ద ఫుడ్ అనమాట అట్ సాయి యూనివర్సిటీ. షీ సేయింగ్ దట్ నార్త్ ఇండియన్ స్టైల్ ఫుడ్డే కాదు, సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఫుడ్ స్టైల్ కూడా నాకు నచ్చింది, నేను అది కూడా టేస్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ నార్త్ ఇండియన్ ఫుడ్తో పాటు సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఫుడ్ కూడా తిన్నాను చెప్పాను. సో ఐ థింక్ it's not only a regional campus anamata, it's a national campus anamata with all kinds of food facilities over here. You can see lot of dishes anamata, not confining to just ఏదో ఒక కూరో ఒక కర్రీకే కన్ఫైన్ కావట్లేదు. మల్టిపుల్ థింగ్స్ అనేటువంటి మన ప్లేట్లో ఉంటాయి. యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఎ ఫుల్ మీల్ అండ్ టేస్టీ మీల్ ఫర్ షూర్.